My name is Elin Benitez. Did you go sightseeing on your last trip? Was the most interesting place you visit? Yes, I went sightseeing on my last trip. I visit Guatapé town. That is a place near Medellin City and is very interesting place for its tourist places. Two, have you ever met a new friend on a trip? How did it happen? Yes, I have met many friends on a trip. I have met some friends when I went to Cartagena in. I met friends of them. You were a group of guys to play in a Christian shore. 3. What the most unknown food you have tried on a trip? I have tried Swiss changua. That is a known food for me. Biscotti made with ingredients very disgusting. 4. What place that food missed visiting on your trip? On my trip, I have missed visiting La Piedra del Peñol. That is place very wonderful and exciting. 5. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? The most incredible activity was climbing. Tangiung a song and fuel, adrenaline when climbing toes Esther. Thank you.